Imagine you're a maintenance technician. You've just been assigned a new work order to repair a conveyor motor that has unexpectedly stopped working. You know this problem has probably been fixed before, but the technician who repaired it last time isn't available. So before you can even begin the repair, you spend valuable time searching through maintenance history, reading manuals, or asking colleagues for help. Now imagine a different experience. The moment this work order is created in Dynamics 365 Asset Management, our AI-powered technician Copilot agent automatically starts working in the background. It identifies the asset, the reported fault, and the job type. The agent searches completed work orders for similar repairs. Instead of relying only on maintenance templates, it learns from what actually happened during previous repairs. It extracts the technician's repair remarks, the actual repair hours, the spare parts that were really used, the maintenance checklist, and supporting documents. Within seconds, the agent generates a structured recommendation and automatically adds to the work order. Every recommendation is backed by completed work orders, giving technicians trusted guidance before they begin. The assigned technician also receives an email notification with a direct link to the work order. Before even walking to the machine, the technician already knows what worked previously, which parts are typically required, and what checks should be performed. Most importantly, the agent never changes the work order, planned hours, or spare parts. It simply provides intelligent recommendations based on proven maintenance history. With every completed work order, the system becomes smarter, turning everyday maintenance into a continuously growing knowledge base for future technicians.